Hey, what's happening? Ryan Callaghan, formerly of First Lite, now of Meat Eater, but one big happy family. Just want to take you really quick through early season hunting, which is antelope into early season archery elk. It's a very simple kit, and that is the beauty of it, but it's incredibly versatile. So, wick boxers, wick hoodie, obsidian pant, neck gaiter will get you through all of the hard times. Wick hoodie, wick boxers, obsidian pant, neck gaiter. On top of that, early season, that new Brooks down jacket is very light, and you can have that with you. The Vapor Stormlight jacket is also a very good option. And if you want to get kind of nitpicky, I like to mix and match the camo. So a lot of times Cypher on top, Fusion on the bottom if I'm out in the prairie, and then I'll reverse it if I'm hunting dark timber for bulls in archery season. So that is the quick and dirty on the early season setup.